Can you see my screen now?
Okay.
Okay. The title is Visualization Resources, a Starting Point. The inspiration of this project is that we often asked by the people who work on data visualization, and they often ask this question, that what visualization resources are available to me? So to answer this question, we decided to conduct this project. Data visualization has become an increasingly important solution for analyzing and exploring huge volumes of complex data. As such, the number of data visualization resources has grown very rapidly over the past decades. But searching for data visualization resources can be challenging and time-consuming. So we present this paper aims to provide a novel overview of collections of data visualization resources, and we focus on collections of practitioner resources, and provide a novel classification of visualization resource collections based on the resource type. Our targeted audience are students, teachers, practitioners, and researchers. When we're conducting this survey, we focus on free visualization-specific resources. We prioritize collections of free open-source visualization resources. And in order to make the scope manageable, we ensure that the resources has a focus on visualization. The search process is challenging, time-consuming, and cannot be solved by a simple Google search. So our collection process consists of several aspects, including teaching a visualization course and our experiences in reviewing visualization research papers, attending visualization events such as conferences and workshops, and traditional search engine queries. We also came across many resources during conducting projects of the service of service and service of books. The contributions of this paper is that it is the first survey of its kind on collections of resources for data visualization. And it also provides a novel categorization of visualization resource collections organized around readership with a focus on students, researchers, and practitioners. Our web-based collection of visualization resources is also available at the website provided in this slide. There are many different ways to group and categorize visualization resources. For example, to classify them based on type or based on visualization subfield. We have chosen a grouping based on resource type because we believe this is the most relevant with respect to the prospective reader's interests. So we have two main categorization, the collections of related refereed literature and data visualization websites. Referred to the refereed literature, we have refereed survey-based resources, which is the service of service, because surveys present a valuable means to quickly find previous research on a particular topic. And we also have another category, which is research papers with online metadata collections and resources, because there are a number of previous related papers that examine collective metadata from published visualization papers and publish the metadata itself as a valuable contribution for further research and analysis. Another category is survey paper with accompanying image collection browsers. A number of visualization survey papers have been published that also assemble an online collection of images. We have summarized a collection of image browser references in our table 1, and the screenshot collection of the image collection process in our figure 1. We have another category of survey papers with an accompanying service web page. The service is a flexible visual analytics tool used to structure and present the list of references in service. The list of websites with service web page are summarized in our table 2, and we also provide a screenshot of the service web pages in our figure 2. We also have another category of service of books. As part of our search for visualization resources, we examined websites that focus on visualization and visual analytics. And we have summarized visualization-focused websites in our table 3, and a screenshot of the visualization-focused websites in our figure 3. We also checked for quality website organization with clear content categories, as well as offering a substantive amount of valuable visualization resources. These resources include the guidance on choosing a visual design, the blogs, the visualization training and educational resources, events such as conferences and workshops, the visualization-related publications, the visualization book collections and recommendations, visualization tools and softwares, data sources, case studies and examples, the links to related web pages. In general, this paper presents a novel collection of visualization resources. We classify the resources according to type. We also compile and provide the descriptions, examples, and information about the curators for each resource collection. There are many potential future work directions which can be explored. For example, there are many other types of visualization of resources, such as software, online videos. And we also think that the collections of resources that focus on special topic of data visualization will make the survey more comprehensive. This project was supported in part by the Engineering and Physical Sciences Resource Council. Thank you.
Thank you. It was a very nice presentation, and I think very useful for people that start on data visualization. Let's move on for the next one. Let's move to Xiaoxiao, please.
Okay, to Xiaoxiao, I have a question. Did you evaluate your system with teachers and students, or in terms of the evaluation of your system?
This is actually a survey paper, and you mean the system?
You build a website where you organize the research and the repository in terms of visualization. So my question is, did you evaluate it with teachers and students, because they are the users of your website?
Yeah, actually, I think that our website is, of course, it's a collection of the visualization resources. We built it based on the service webpage I mentioned in the slide and also in the paper. So it's actually a service webpage, and so it's for the visual. It's actually a visual analytics tool to present and collect our references in surveys and like in literature reviews. But it also can be, I think it also can be used by like teachers for their teaching and students who learn the data visualization.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
I can
So
also.
just related to that, what do you intend to do with your work? Okay, you have built a website with a collection of surveys and papers and websites, but again, what you intend to do is to provide a tool where the user, what is your purpose? What is your next step, please?
Oh, well, actually, like for next step, we are going to extend it our like this survey paper, and we are prepared to include more collections of data visualization resources in the next survey, like to provide more resources of data visualization in our work.
Okay, okay.
I
Do
can.
you not intend to provide something more dynamic, a tool that people can use in a dynamic way, asking questions? Oh, Xiao, I need to do that and that. What do you advise?
Oh, that is a good suggestion.
I can also add to that discussion. So the current survey was also informed by students. So in the visualization class that we teach, there's a special exercise where the students have to search for tools. So it was a collaborative development process for the whole survey in the first place. And for the second question, one of the features that we'd like to build into the current website that supports the survey is a feedback mechanism where a user can actually write to us or say something like, I found this resource and I'd like to add it to the collection. And also there's an interactive search functionality in the existing framework. So a user can actually perform searches and explore the collection.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
So we have the last question from
Is
Luigi.
that what you were
So the
thinking?
question is, why do we need
That this would never end?